GPS diving service here. It is May 20th. We're here at the Hurricane at Georgia Creek Pier 3, Southwest 15. We cleaned the starboard side of the boat. Haven't completely cleaned the port side. I'm going to show you the outdrive. We've cleaned most of it. However, this outdrive needs to be in the up position in the future. And when you get it in the up position, you're definitely going to want to leave the pressure washer on and take off some of the barnacle glue. We don't want to remove that until it's dead or we'll do more damage. So let's take a look real quick and show you the side that's been cleaned, then I'm going to swim back to the side that hasn't been cleaned. Let's look at the side we're about to clean. Obviously, you can see here, the bottom paint does not go where it needs to go. I'm going to show you this. We're going to do our best to get this off, but we don't want to scratch your gel coat. You do need to have it hauled out and have them lift the bottom paint up to about 2 inches above the top of this exhaust port. Let's take a look.